Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, this is your humble servant right here and on this platform. Send American filler. So I have a lot of people coming on my comment section asking of where is Chuku the Jude. I told you guys last week, say Omuwo Brewa in the central region. Now, let me just tell you guys exactly where they are, because I told you, say, when they are back from Brewa, they will do a couple of meetings and there will be one or two things. I'm here to tell you guys what happened in Brewa, actually, what happened there. There were some programs they were having there in Brewa, and Ebusia, a couple of things went on there. He's not happy about them. You understand? I told you guys, say, Oba Accra, you will meet a couple of government appointees with respect to what Dr. Hassan Ayaga has forwarded to the police and other things. Now, allegedly, from where I sit, I'm going to tell you guys a couple of places are Okoye just after Ofri Brewa. Now, meetings be after government appointee meetings. No, he wasn't happy about a couple of things, and there's another video I was just asking one of my friends to say, Charlie, let me see that video, because I heard that he was not happy, but I couldn't get anything to pinpoint on until I chanced on that video. And I'm going to share that video with you guys in a jiffy. But I want you guys to know, say, they are back from Brewa. He wasn't happy with respect to how he was treated in Brewa, because allegedly, no person can Brewa no mukoye no. Say na ni wife na eti ho no ma ni nine egu bibisu. He want to be treated as such, and he wasn't treated that way in Brewa. And na neni anje the way neni amakoye ewo Brewa no. And when they came to Accra for double, allegedly doubling, Okoshia government appointees, including some military officers near Diano, Niama Ankuyi, and that is the reason why said Nenim Aye the way and Aye Posan ever meeting us, Now, Ebusian, when they came back from that, allegedly, let me tell you guys what is going on. They have a plan. Again, under that meeting, they were planning how to go around things and how to work around the number of things Dr. Hassan Aiga has presented. Okay, I don't think say majority of the guys now know. Most of them know the dealings. I think say they don't know, but actually they were in the view say they have to fry their mind. Try say whatever Dr. Hassan Ayaga have sent to the CID boss Yoko and BNI, whatever it is they will find a means to outweigh or to go around it won't work against him, right? That's what they were trying to do. Omuko meetings nearby, results no munya and your results papa mano, and he wasn't happy, and you can see it from the video. Now I'm going to share to you guys a video of him sitting in a meeting where they were praying and they are saying he say, but you can see say his face is not like the normal. You can see say I said Nima Bosan part of his face I say ahono kakra, but nobody knows exactly what happened there and near science and Nima hono, but I'll dig into that and I'll get you guys into details what exactly happened. Ebrana jama omuko ebrewa ebaye. Now let me tell you guys allegedly what happened. Okoye meeting. Now one government appointees no hono nyama nkoyi minyanintie say he's supposed to see Okujeto Ablakwa, but I think say pressure na baninti Okujeto was not willing to meet this guy, and he couldn't meet him, but say Okoye meeting his special assistant, something like that, and so he wasn't happy said when to me and Shia Okujeto Ablakwa, right? Okay, now let me tell you also that when to me anya kwan and Shia other dignitaries are like Adwini say Ofri Yiniba, he will be able to meet John Mahama, right? But Esan say in the middle of all that, yesterday we lost the former first lady Nana Akufo-Addo. I said Mahama I busy and also Malin Shani. So he met a couple of people from the police and some other places or idea. He wasn't happy about the turnout of events. And I won't say the name of. Now let me show you guys that video, that particular video. Okay, there were two videos. One of the videos there were with a guy who was showing the video was showing all over the place, and This guy was laughing. But after they start praying for success, no, and an name is Isaiah. You go share video in bra.
Onye pụtara na ọhụ ihe ọma megara esi ihe ọma emere n'anyị. Ihe ọma emegbule nga. Onye hụrụ anyị asị isi sa ya awụghị isi echi ọ mụrụ nwa kpụ isi nwa ahụ nkwa. Onye hụrụ ọdụ sọ ọwụghị ọdụ echi ọ mụrụ nwa kpụ ọdụ nwa ahụ nkwa. Anyị ga na-aga n'ihu. Enweghị mbọ mbre wọchị. Susu echi kwekwele n'elu. Onye nwere iwu ga ịta na ga-esi susu ya ọnọtụkwa nga ahụ. O shi ele. Ọwachi. Mmiri mmakwa n'okporo mgbọkwa ihe ọ sịrị ewe ahụ. Onye gbakwara na awọkọrọ atọ ihe o nyere ewu ngere. Onye sa nwụ ogurukwa ya ụzọ mmụọ. Eche mkpali enyi onye ahụ ya m ga-agba ahụ asongo.
Asongo
o ruru mgbe ka ezigbo toro shiri kwada m gara nga asa ha na ahara m nyere gbakara bọksa shọt mi kemgbe agbanata ha ahara m nyere n'ime moto ma bụ ọsọsọ mgbatu ogla ihe a na-edoso mgbatu ogla asụ maka ihe ọma m ekele Chineke ha na ya ọta anwụ nga ha acha ha ga-ebi akara ihe eme mgbe ụfọdụ anyị ka ọnwe ihe ọjọọ mere onwe ihe ọjọọ Chineke chiri iji egosi ya anọda level ụfọdụ mistakes ndị anyị ga na-ama asọ mistake anyị ga-eji ka akọrọ ya asị Chineke kerigo kele ụwa ndị Igbo ndị nọ na Ghana ezi achịgidere ha echigide mezie mụọ na mkpọkọla
Chineke
Ghana ụdị kpọkọla ukwe ka ọ ga-eyiri na dị ọ na-acha ka ndị ihe mere ndị Ghana ji acharị gị yo dig na no chi onye nwere ihe ọma kpọ ihe ọma ma ekwe ihe ọma kpọ ihe ọjọọ
ise
mmadụ ori
ise
mmadụ nkwọ
ise nze nwanne ya weze nze nwanne ya weze
All right, guys. Now I believe that you guys saw the video that the other guy was showing everything, right? He was showing whatever is going on there. I believe that you guys saw what was going on. Now the next video, hey baby, I know more born prayer for success and prosperity, whatever they call it. It was a prayer so they will be able to outweigh the options, and they were just digging to see say if he's been sent to other places and all that, how they can outweigh those things. To be honest with you, they were just trying to do something, but it wasn't the best way for them. I'm telling you, say, I can tell you categorically, say, baby, I can tell you, say, the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king is not a happy man in Ghana. Says, yeah, he's not a happy man. When he's sitting on tentacles. Baby, or ten o'clock, not joining tanta, because at the end of the day, baby, says, yeah, he's not a happy person. Oko Brewano, he thought say he could be happy, he could just use Brewa as a bridge to make things happen. But information, I mean, kind of every Brewa he wasn't able, even though he was able to do a couple of stuff, because Brewa for they were happy with their wife and they were trying to make their wife happy. But Onuan Kasa he couldn't get access to do whatever he wanted to do. His mindset is to buy out people from there, but he couldn't do that. So I can tell you on point, he said, he couldn't do that, right? He couldn't do that in Brewa. Now, the other one now, main kano, HS Oba Krano, Nyama Ankoyi Amano. And so he's not happy at all. Now, let me just use this opportunity again to lay out one or two things. He's been trying his best to make sure say he'll reach out to Nite Kuchuru and other chiefs in Accra to make sure he'll patch some things and make things work and make some peace and all that. But the more he tries, the more he fails. Now, I have a video. I'll come and talk about him with respect to what he's been doing or what he's been trying to do in the Gamanche Palisa Enkoyi. I'll come and tell you guys when I have time to make a video for the Gamanche Nitekuchuru. The second, I'll tell you guys the initiatives, like, or try to breach out and break peace and all these things. Now he's getting all this information from people who are close to him and people who keep advising Ghanaians near Ben or man feel like say yes, but the more he tried to do, the more people are trying to disassociate themselves from him the more. And so I can tell you, say Igbo king, self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king, Chuku the Jude, he wish and can all these things now. It will die off small, but the people around him are not advising him the way they're supposed to. If you want all these issues to die, what you have to do is a public gathering. You don't have to show yourself in public gathering and all that. You understand me? When you keep doing that, people will see you and people will make these things. You understand? But he keep doing the same thing. And I can tell you, say, Chuku the Jude came back from there, tried to meet some people, but it wasn't well with him. And so he wasn't happy at all. Now, going into next week, he has scheduled a couple of things he wants to do. Going into next week, there are a couple of things that were scheduled. So, I'll bring to you guys up to speed with respect to all those things. But I can tell you, say, he was scheduled to meet a couple of big-time government appointees and some opposition people and stuff like that. But he couldn't because everybody was watching. And near Bibia say and say we lost our first former lady, Nana Akufo-Addo. So that spoiled everything for Chuku. I'm telling you, to be honest, as I sit here, I can tell you, say Chuku the Jude, even though the issue is kind of in the hands of the police, the way he thought to say he can bribe his way out from the Ghana police now and Konasa, and so he's just not happy. But I can also say, there's pressure on government, and I will use this opportunity again to talk to government and the government officials and the government security agencies and all the security agencies in Ghana. This is your humble servant here. We are saying that we are watching you guys patiently because Ghanaians feel say Mumpe Ghanaians, Mumpe foreigners. So Ghanaians are watching carefully and Ghanaians are watching what you guys are doing. Whatever steps you are taking, Ghanaians want to know. Ghanaians want to ask you guys what time, what is the timeline? Is there any timeline as to when you bring all those reports as to whatever investigation you are doing on this self-acclaimed and battle Igbo Kingdom? Most people are waiting. So Ebusia, this is what I have to say, and this is what I want to say to government of the day. Please, people are waiting. And I can tell you, say, Chuku the Jude is not happy during his meetings around and coming back to his home, say, oh, yeah, party, whatever prayers they were doing, he's not happy at all. And you can see from his face. Everyone, stay around with me with more information with respect to what is going to happen in the next coming days. There's a program. Chuku the Jude planning. I don't know the name of the program, but he's been planning to do something because he was stopped from the Young Festival. He's trying to do some other program. I don't know the name of the program, but once I get the information about that, I will tell you guys what exactly is going on, and we all know exactly what to do about some of these things. Now, let me use this opportunity to say kudos to the boys, okay, and the Ghana Police Service for what they are doing. It's a yeoman job. You guys should continue to do it. I say, if you hear something about Nigerians doing something somewhere, if you hear that Nigerians have gathered somewhere in a room somewhere, please say something, report it. Let's get them arrested. The only way by which we can help government at this point in time, if government don't want to investigate, arrest people, the only way we can do this is when you see them doing something, make sure you report, make sure they are arrested, make sure you follow up the information, whatever it is, follow it up. That's the best way we can do for now. I think so. The next thing I want to say is, and I'll continue to say it, landlord, landlady, let's stop renting out to these guys. When they come, don't rent it. When they come, don't rent it. I'm telling you, if they can't have a place to stay, they will find a way out. That's basically what it is. So we are advocating for this, and the landlords should listen to us on this platform, Top Gossip 24. So this is what I have for you guys. Whereabout of Chuku? Those who keep asking, Chuku is in Accra and in his home, but he's not happy. In his home, but he's not happy. This is your humble servant here. That's Yebeshia Pio Yoko.